how to lock your Facebook profile officially. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially in just a few easy steps. If you want to keep your personal information safe and make your profile more private, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Now look at the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Once you're in the menu, scroll down a little until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on that and a drop-down will open. Now tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down again until you see the option that says Profile Locking. It might be near the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Tap on Profile Locking. Facebook will now show you what this feature does, like hiding your full-size profile photo, limiting what strangers can see, and only allowing your friends to view your stories and posts. Now just tap Lock Your Profile. A confirmation will pop up, tap OK, and you're done. Your Facebook profile is now officially locked and much more private. And that's it, quick and simple. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.